Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Anderstem. I'm Anderson Harp, and today I'm going to quickly go through how to make a brush bot, a base brush bot, for your classes. Now, normally I would have glue dots, but in this case today I've run out of glue dots, so I'm just going to use a hot glue gun. But the basic materials are, I've got a disposable toothbrush that I picked up at a hotel one time. I'm going to take care of cutters here and just snip off from the tip. Oh, there we go. Oh, it fell. It's a good thing that I'm not going to be using this to brush my teeth. So you just need the head of the toothbrush. I have a pipe cleaner, some googly eyes, coin cell battery, and this is a vibrating pager motor. You can order these online from Amazon, super cheap, come in bulk, but these are the motors, the tiny motors that are, when you put your phone on vibrate, that's what this is. What's nice about this little one is that it actually has one side, it has an adhesive that you can peel off to stick onto your brush bot. So let's get started. Okay, so the idea is you're making a baby robot. I'm gonna start, and what you're gonna wanna do is, and sometimes it's cool to tinker with, that's why it's fun to use glue dots, is because you can move the motor around to see how it changes the movement or the motion of the brush bot itself. But I'm going to go ahead and stick this on here, just in the back. Now here's a little bit of a tricky part because you have your coin battery. The power, and side up, side down. I want to make sure that there's a good connection here. So I'm trying to think of how best to keep this wire, the negative side, onto the battery. Tape sticky side up. And then I'm going to stick the battery on here. I'm gonna test it to see if it works and pray. Yes, okay. So that negative connection on the inner side does work, which means now I'm gonna take some hot glue and glue this battery on top. And then press that down. So now we have the negative side connected. And you touch the positive, it's able to move. And for this purpose, again, I can just use some tape to hold it down. We'll talk about switching on and off later, but it's just a little bit of tape. There we go. We have a live brush bot. Woo. Right now it's just spinning around. It's probably where you get a chance to tinker with the balance of your brush bot. If I were using glue dots, I'd be able to move the motor to a different position and the battery too. Might want to stack them on top. However, I am going to take a pipe cleaner and thread it through the middle, the bristles of this brush. Just kind of wrap it around. Now I've got some googly eyes here too, because it's really cool to add some personality and life to your bot. And I think today I'm going to make some sort of butterfly-ish. One more. Again, that whole idea of tinkering. Okay, so now I have those, and let's see if it's a little bit more stable now when I reconnect the battery in the motor. So yeah, and I can use the other part of the brush to kind of steer or guide my little guy. But yeah, notice that with the pipe cleaner, it's now balanced. It's still moving around. Great little top. Okay. Now, got everything ready to go. And woo, it's alive. There you have your basic brush bot 101. Enjoy making.